Well guys, we just got here over to Mulligan, and the last time we was here now we stayed in that cabin right there, but they got a new cabin here now, so this is where we'll be spending the night. We'll be doing some fishing. We're going to try for trout, rock cod, and might even do a little bit of pike fishing, so it should be a fine trip. We'll see how it goes, I guess. Oh. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, there he is. Whoa. Oh, a nice one. Oh, two! Yeah, that's a dandy there. Well, anyway, guys, we was just over there and caught a few rock cods there and filled them off, and now we're gonna get a meal of trout for our breakfast. That's a lovely looking trout too, boy. Look at that. Oh, lively trout, isn't it? I must say the trout is pretty lively here. He's still flicking at his -40. Well guys, we got some caribou soup on there for our supper. It's gonna be a late supper, but that's alright when you're at the cabin. And we got some caribou ringals here now to snack on. Hot but delicious. And not much meat in these caribou ringals, so it's just a way to spread the meat around. I'm ready to get some rice for the soup. Oh God.
Pretty lean.
Okay, caribou stew for supper.
I don't know if he wants to put that in.
Whoa! Oh, what a way to start the morning right there. Woohoo! Don't have proper fillet knife, but anyway guys, we just measured these 31 inches, and I usually let Pike go, but this time we're gonna have a feed of him. I don't have any fillet knife with me, but yeah, almost froze just coming across right there. Well guys, Marty got me dropped off here to the pond, and he's on his way back to Northwest River to get a Comatic. My snowmobile is broke down. I'm going to have to be towed back, and so I'm just going to fish away here and until he gets back. And man, we had a great trip so far. It was cold yesterday, you know, down in the -40s with the wind chill, but we got a few rock cod out of it, and he caught a nice trout. And I was up here this morning, you know, I got my first pike there ice fishing, and last night, you know, we had some couple of beers and had some caribou ringals fired up. They were fantastic. We had caribou soup, man, that was great as well. So we're really enjoying it, and anyway, hopefully get a few fish here now before he gets back. And this pond, you know, is known for pike. It's called Jackfish Lake, and we been told to just whitefish this pan as well, so that'd be nice if we could hook up one of those. Well, I couldn't get the camera quick enough. Got this, oh, I don't know, that's 25, 26 inch pike there, I suppose. Let's look, I just got into it on the side there. And that's the kind of hooks that Marty's parents uses for ice fishing trout netting. I said I'll give these a little try here now for the pike. And that's just a little bit of a tail of a trout there for bait. And I just got this lovely pike. You know, I got one this morning and I kept it, and we're gonna have he for our supper. Well, I just hauled the gut out of it here for now, and just look at those spans and livers. Man, that sure looks good. Beautiful colour to it. Just got another pike here. He's a smaller one, so I'm just gonna let that one go. I think that one is a bit bigger, but great fun. Well, the buddy's coming here, so at least I haven't got to walk, and now I'll get another update from the King's Quest, I guess. Let's see, jump back up. A little blooper there. Oh no.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, yeah. Woohoo! These are some hard one. And I broke off right here. You know, that's hollow there. If you wanted to, you know, you shove a rod in there, and that would be enough to get you home out of it, right? But I'm gonna take this back to this and get it all welded up proper, and bring it back and put it down after. And I got a couple of, I got them twisted off there. So I either got to get those out or replace the rod. So it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Well, guys, we're gonna take the slides with us and get them fixed up in Goose Bay, welded up and stuff, and bring them back another time and put them on them here. So anyway, we're picking up everything here now, and we're soon gonna be heading her back. So so anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. We had a great time here, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Like always, thanks for watching.